Hi, welcome back. Well, as you know, I have this 2005 Yukon Denali. It's the XL. It's got a 6.0 engine. I've had this for about a year and a half. I've been working on the mechanicals and trim package and touch up the paint and stuff. So this video is about replacing one of the trim pieces in the engine compartment. The part I'm going to show you is really easy to replace if yours is damaged or just looks really bad for some reason. By the way, somebody left a message saying my grill's probably a custom grill. As you can see, the chrome is worn off on the top there. I'm going to be replacing that real soon. Anyway, this is the part. It's over the radiator. It's this long plastic cover right here. It's got 7 of these snaps. I'll show you how to take them out here in a second. But you can see it's broken here. As you can see, the grill is broken, so you can't put a plastic clip or snap in here. Looks like somebody got crazy with a gray can of spray paint. And it looks like Picasso got a little carried away here. Looks like he did a real good job. He was 1 can of spray paint away from cutting his ear off. Anyway, there's 7 plastic snaps or clips that hold this thing down. Let me show you how they pop off. Okay, take your small screwdriver, and what you're going to look for is that little slot. You're going to stick the screwdriver in there and pull upwards. Once you have it slightly up, go ahead and grab it with your fingers and pull up. If that's a little hard to do, you may want to get one of these. I've heard it called a trim tool. I've heard it called a door panel remover. Anyway, you can get one of these. They have them at Harbor Freight for about $3 or $4. It's something like that. Anyway, with that tool, get under there or your hands and pull up, but you don't have to pull up all the way. Just pull it up until it stops. If it pops out, that's okay too. Once you have it up, or if it popped out, go ahead with your screwdriver or with your trim tool and get underneath and go ahead and pull the whole thing out. Okay, now remove all 7 clips. Once we got them all removed, go ahead and lift the cover upward. Go ahead and set this one aside. Okay, this is what it looks like without the cover. At this point, you may want to inspect your condenser and your radiator. See if you need to clean it. Looks like I have some debris here. Looks like I'm going to have to make another video later about how to clean these. Alright, let's look at the replacement that I found at Pick Apart. Well, here's the one that I pulled off. As you can see on the top edge there, it's got that gray paint, silver paint, or whatever in the heck that was. In the middle it's got a crack, it's got scratches, it's missing a label. Here's the replacement that I found. It's all there, hardly any scratches, and it's got the label. All I have to do now is clean it with this stuff. This stuff works great. It makes your plastic parts look new. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe some on here so you can see how good this stuff is. The application is really easy. All you need is a rag. You can put it on your rag to wipe it on, or you can just put it on your part. Either way. Just wipe it on and you can see the difference already as you put it on. Alright, let's get the whole thing done now. Man, this is looking really good. I try not to get anything around the label area. I do that last. Okay, let's put the cover where it belongs. Now I can work on the label area. Just wiping the oil really close to the edge. I don't want to get any on there because it'll probably delam the label. Then I wipe off the label with a clean cloth. Man, this is looking really good, I gotta tell you. Almost seems like I got a brand new engine in there. Now all I have to do is just pop in the 7 plastic fasteners and we're all done. See how easy that was? It's amazing how one piece of plastic can make your engine look great. Well, can't wait to get my new grill in, so stay tuned for that video. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!